This is an introduction on how to curate your network, how to create a powerful, unstoppable, impeccable, successful network. If you don't know anything about networking, if you don't know where to start, this is the video for you. The three types of friend groups I'm going to get into will be the reason why you upgrade your network for the rest of your life. You've clicked on this video because you already know the importance of network, so I'm not really going to explain to you why a network is impactful or important to you because you already know that since you're on this video. Right, so let's get straight into it. You need a mentor, an equal, and a mentee. For some of you who are familiar with Luke Belmar, he has talked about this concept in the past, but I'm going to go over it further. The reason why you need a mentor is because you need someone to teach you. You need a teacher. You need somebody who is looking down on you. He's keeping you accountable. He's making sure that you make progress. There's plenty of paid mentors out there, but if you really can't afford a mentor, choose like a famous influencer online that you want to become just like him. For me, it was Hamza, it used to be Andrew Tate, it used to be Mike Tyson, it used to be Muhammad Ali. All these people, right, that are great people. Depends which one. Depends on the perspective you look at them. But we could say these are all successful men. So those were kind of like my mentors when I was a brokey. I now pay for a mentor right now, right? And the second part of the network you need to have, it's crucial, is an equal. What is an equal? Those are your friends, those are your friendships, those are the people you're coming up with. Those are the people you're building your business with, those are the people you're going to the gym with, those are the people you're cold approaching women, those are the people you go out having fun on some days, right? Those are your guys, right? That's your group. Now you have to be very selective with who you pick because your equals might actually be lower than you. They might not even be equal on your level. So you want to make sure that your circle is as equal as possible. You know, maybe if they're a little bit further ahead of you, that's great too. But the worst thing you want is for them to be like really, really under you, like degenerate people, not really on self-improvement. Those are the kind of friends you want to avoid. So as we're up-and-coming successful men, we want to curate our circle to have high standards. Now, the reason why this is beneficial is because having equals, someone that you can grow with, someone that you can build a team with, a business with, make money with, is very crucial because you don't want to be the lone wolf. If you look at every successful person, no matter how self-made they claim themselves to be, someone has helped them to reach their success. It doesn't matter if they hired people, if they pay people. It doesn't matter if it's just a friend that has helped them. Maybe they've created like a government connection. That is why having equals in your network is as crucial as having a mentor, as crucial as having mentees, which we're going to get into now. Remember how we talked about having a mentor? Somebody who can keep you accountable, somebody who can learn you and teach you new things, someone that you can learn from, someone that you can look up to. Aspire to be just like them. A mentee is somebody who aspires to be like you. This is very powerful. If you want to learn to stay consistent, if you want to learn to be accountable, you have to have mentees. How do you have mentees and why is this super important? You want to have mentees because, just as I mentioned, you need to have accountability. So when someone looks up to you, you kind of have like this responsibility to be your best self at all times. And when your mentee notices that you're not your best self, that you are slacking, that you're being hypocritical, you say things and you don't do them, they stop being your mentees. They stop looking up to you and they look up to someone else. Now, this is easier said than done, but you will always have mentees. If you have younger siblings, if you have people that are generally younger than you, they can be your mentees. No, in my position where I am today, I'm gonna have unlimited mentees because I'm growing a YouTube channel. I'm going to have people just like you who want to learn from me, and those people will be my mentees. I'll have a community of people, they will speak to me, I'll be their mentor, they will be my mentees. Now, having mentees goes beyond just having accountability and being your best self all the time. You have a mentee, you kind of have to teach them things. You have to be a leader. So you learn leadership, you learn to be a teacher, and you'll actually learn to explain the things you've learned. There's a certain quote by Einstein that goes something like, if you don't know how to explain a certain thing, you probably haven't understood it yourself. So when you become a mentor to mentees, and you learn to explain the points you've just learned. That will massively increase your understanding of the thing you've just learned. So not only do you become like kind of like this hero to somebody, you become a leader, you become a teacher, you learn things that you're trying to teach even more clearly. I want you to try this for the next couple weeks and months, maybe even years. Try to grow this network. Try to have a mentor, someone you could look up to, an equal, someone you can build with, and a mentee, someone that keeps you accountable, and be their hero. Men do not attract that which they want, but that which they are. And I'll see you in the next one.